Greetings. In this video, I want to show you a simple way to start uploading videos to YouTube if you've never done anything like that before. I can't tell you how many people in the past few years I've tried to encourage to do YouTube and to upload videos and how much potential there is for that. And people will get excited about it, but that very first step of putting that first video on YouTube, it's just too much. It's kind of overwhelming. So I'm telling you, it's a lot more simple than you think it is. It's just taking that first step that's so hard to do. So I want to show you how to do that. All right, so first thing is you got to have a Gmail account. You probably already do. Probably 80% of y'all already have email through Gmail. Okay, guess what? If you have an account with Gmail, you already have your YouTube account. Okay, if not, go ahead and sign up for Gmail. And then what you do, while you're logged into your Gmail, and you can see my little icon over here on the right, you probably recognize it, just type in youtube.com, and all of a sudden, here's your YouTube channel. This is your YouTube channel that you would upload videos. And you could always change the name of it. It's super easy to do. So to make your first video, you can record it on your smartphone. You don't have to use a professional camera. Literally, I still have a Samsung S7 that I still use. The quality is great. Don't worry about the editing and don't worry about all that stuff like the quality of your video or anything like that. I'm telling you, you could actually get monetized and make good money on an old phone. People do it all the time. So what you want to do is download the video from your phone to the computer. And I'm sure you know how to do that. It's super easy to do. So while you're on your computer, while you're in your account, what you want to do, I already got the video that I want to upload saved onto my computer. What you want to do is you can go over here to the right. You see this little camera here? You can go ahead and click on it. And right here it says upload video. Go ahead and click upload video. And all of a sudden magic's starting to happen, as you can see. Alright, I have the video right here on my desktop, and you see it, and I entitled it YouTube. Right here. So that's the video I want to upload. So I want to go back into my screen. So I want to select files right here. And of course you saw it was on the desktop. Let's go ahead and move me over here. So on the desktop, I want to look for YouTube. Go all the way down, and here it is. Go ahead and select and click OK. Open, rather. Now, it's all of a sudden downloading. This is the start of my YouTube. So usually, it depends on the size of your YouTube video, but it can take anywhere from like 3 minutes to download to 10 or 20. If you got a large file, it could take a little bit longer. So you could put your title of your YouTube video. So I want to put title of my YouTube video. Okay. Don't worry about search or anything like that, but your title is very important, and it's not as hard as you think it is. I mean, basically this is how people find you, through Google search. And you know, YouTube is a great engine for Google search. You type something and people will find you through Google search or through YouTube search, and they usually use the title, right? So you can put the title there, and then the description. This is my first YouTube video. Now what's going to happen here with the thumbnail, it's going to give you selections right here. Right here. So you can choose one of those, or you can upload your own image. So I'm going to go ahead and upload thumbnail. Okay. You're not able, I forgot, you have to be on YouTube for a while in order to use this upload thumbnail. That's where you can put art and different things like that. So I'm not allowed to have that feature yet. So I'll just choose this image right here. Don't worry about playlists for now. Okay. This is very important. Age restriction. If it's G-rated, PG-rated, don't make it for kids if you don't have to, because it will put it lower in the analytics. But if you have kids on there, if it's geared towards children, then you definitely need 100% put yes, it's for kids, because that's important, because there's new laws about that. But most videos are no, it's not made for kids. You click down here where it says show more. Okay, and then from right here, this is where you can put tags. So let's say I made a YouTube video on how to make YouTube videos. YouTube making YouTube videos, how to for dummy. They give you 500 characters here and all. So you can type whatever you want here, up to 500 characters. And believe it or not, YouTube doesn't use this as much as you'd think they would, but it's still good to go ahead and load it up. Video language, it tells you what language you can put it in. It's not necessary, but you can. You don't worry about recording date. Short sampling, you can do that if you want to. You don't have to do that, but what short sampling is, it's like for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, where you're giving people permission to take your video and put it on a short, 1 minute or less video. This comment and ratings, when people can comment, like if you don't want people to comment on your video, click disable comments. Or if you're kind of nervous at the beginning, that's fine. I will tell you that comments are good, bad or good, because it means the engagement. The more engagement that you have on your YouTube channel, the better. Even negative. When you get negative troll comments, I'm telling you, it means you're doing something right. So don't be scared. All right, and then what you're going to do is click next. And then here you can add an ad screen. Well, this add an end screen is basically, it shows videos at the end of your content. You're not able to do that now because you just created your channel, so they're not giving you this feature. Next. No issues found with copyright. So it'll automatically run a check. So with YouTube, it's very important that you don't put any other people's music that's copywritten, because the robots will catch it immediately and demonetize it or not allow it. Okay, and then you click next. This could be private, unlisted, or public. So if you're not comfortable showing the video to the public, or for now, you can do private, just to where you can do, and they'll give you a code where you can send it to family members or friends. That's fine. You can do unlisted or public if I want everybody to see. Scheduled, that's if you don't want to release it now, but if you want to release it like 12 p.m. tomorrow, something like that. So we'll go ahead and publish. Close. That's it. Now we made history. There's your YouTube video. That's the very first YouTube video that you made. And all this other stuff about finally getting it monetized, it's not as difficult as you think it is. Once you start getting you start doing content, you'll learn. You'll learn how to title. You'll learn what to do with a thumbnail. And to get monetized, it's super simple. You only need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the 365-day year calendar. You think that that's a lot, but when you start getting rolling, it can take one video to get you up to both of those, like within a day. So it's kind of like a hit or miss. But no, you will get it if this is what you want to do. Maybe you don't want to monetize. Maybe you just want to make videos for friends and family. That's fine. But I'm telling you, it's more simple than you think it is. And I appreciate you watching my video. I'll make more content like this if you like it. And then make sure you subscribe. All right, thanks for watching.